Nakuha ni number 21, pass number 24, going boy, Leves, good for 2. Number 11, Luis, pass to number 1, Narciso. Narciso sa ticket play, pass number 2, Amari for 3, no good. Number 21, Pukuda, pass number 20. Luis Jobs, number 20 yata ay nakasunod na nakuha number 21, umikot. No good, dari pa rin number 1.
Number 1,
Narciso. Pass number 26.
2-point lead by Aglipay.
Nakuha na number 20, out of pass kay number 00. Masyadong malakas. Out of bounds. OSC ball. Number 1, Narciso, binigay sa gilid. Number 2, Sumagasa. Foul number 20. Number 20, first personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul. Kalo, ikaw. Diretso, number 16 na atake, number 16. No good, dari ball number 2, Amari. Pass number 1, Narciso mukhang atake. Binigay kay number 26, 14. No good, nasunod. Pink ball. Number 24, atake. Binigay number 16. No good, nakuha number 26. Leves, good for 2.
Deadlock at 2.
Number 24, Santos umate. Binigay sa ilalim, nakuha number 1. Outlet kay number 26. Villafuerte, number 26. Leves, good for 2.
2-point lead ng OSC. 4-2.
Number 20, na-traffic, nasundot, nakuha number 1. Outlet kay number 26. Number 26, 2-on-1 play. 2-26, lele, ang alanganin. Nakuha number 16, pass to number 21. Pukuda. Dito na lang, goal for 2.
Deadlock.
Number 2, Amari. Sige, kumarang kayo. No good. Naribol number 20. Pass to number 16. Sige kay number 00. Mendoza. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha number 16. No good. Naribol number 2. Good for 2. Ang lakas nun. Grabe yun.
6-4 lamang ng dalawang Aglipay.
Number 11. Number 2 wala. Offensive foul para kay number 2, Amari. Number 24, Santos. Pumukol sa malayo. No good. Naribol number 2, Amari. Pass number 1, Narciso atake. Narciso ang kakapasabi kay number 11, pass number 21, Dizon for 3, no good. Naribol number 21, Pukuda. Pass number 00, Mendoza. Number 16, pass number 24, mukhang pukol ulit. Atake bigay number 21, good for 2.
8-4.
Lamang na ng 4 ang Aglipay. Nalulungkot ako. 5 minutes and 57 seconds to play. Logo pa rin, na-rebound ni number 21. Lakas na rebound lang. Number 16 na atake, number 16. Logo na-rebound niya ulit. Binigay kay number 21. Nakakuha number 24. Binigay ng pagano'n. Whoop, good. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Na-rebound number 1, Narciso magkakawin ng bola.
8-6, 2-point lead by Aglipay. Substitution.
Foul. Pass number. Nakuha ni number 11. Pass number 2 na. Bumasak. Pasok. Pass kay Daga. Daga Levis. Ball 2. Kuha na. Pass number 11. Pass number 1. Binaliwala. No good. Nakuha ni number. Out and pass kay Daga. Daga. Ano? Foul. Foul number 7. First personal foul, second team foul. Aray mo. Foul. Pasok Kukuda. Pasok number 0-0. 10 seconds to shoot. Pasok number 11. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul space. Pressure 3. No good. Nakuha ni Kukuda. No good. Nakuha ni number 9. Pasok number 51. Pasok number 0-0 na kalala. Number 0-0. Ang bilis. Pasok Kukuda. Levis.
10-11, lamang pa rin ang 1 point ang OSC.
Pinasakay. Kailangan kita tayo.
1 point by OSC.
Pasok number 0-0. Try to be no good. Now 1-51. Daga tumatak. Out of bounds. Big ball. 0-0. Foul. Umikot. Pass number 11. No good. Nakuha ni Pusa. Number 25. Pass number 51. 10 seconds to shoot. Daga pass to Pani. Good. 4-2.
13-10, 3-point lead by OSC. 2-15.
Number 1. Foul. Foul number 25. First personal foul, second team foul. Adan. Kukuda. Good. 4-2. Daga. Pasok. Dogu. Nawani. Papi ulit. Papi Dogu. Nawani. Jabon. Oh, Sibol. Ilipat na yung Pasensya na ako. Daga. Wow, good. 4-2.
16-12. 4 point.
Number 7.
15-12 pala.
Kimira, Daga. Dawani. Daga. Daga. Iniwan lang siya. Daga. Nakadaga pa rin. Takso. Number 51. 10 seconds to shoot. Bobby Jordan 3. Double na 1 number 19. Tumira. Double pa rin. Nawani. Number 11. Mendoza. Paso number. Jefferson. Jefferson. Lumipan. Double na 1. Pukuda. Paso number 7. Pass number 1. Number 1 here, the please food.
14-15. 1 point lead by OSC.
40 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. Now one number 1. 4-on-1 play. Pass number 7. Pass number 2. Pass number 6. Good. 4-2.
Change favor lamang ng isang Aglipay. 20 seconds remaining.
20 seconds. 15 seconds to play. Out of bounds. Pitball. .1. Number 7.
Close out.
Number 7. Bumia. Pass number 6-0. 5 seconds to play.
18-15. 3-point lead by Aglipay.
Red. Okay.
End of the first quarter, 19-15. 4-point lead by Aglipay.
Pass number 34. Pass number. Foul number 21. Where's that? Good. Number 1, paso number 2. Ginasa ulit. Tumira. Foul number 20. Second personal foul. First team foul. First shot is good. Second shot. Logo down one number 1, good. 4-2.
20-18.
Number 24.
2-point lead by Aglipay.
Number 24 left page. Pass to number 11 for James. No good. Now with number 1. Outside basket number 13. Now open niya. Out of bounds.
OSC ball.
8 seconds, shot up. Kenneth, 4-3, no good. Now one number 2. Number 2. No good, now one again. Number 2, foul number 11. First shot.
20-18. 2-point lead by Agdipan.
Second shot. No good. Number 7, pass to number 24. Pass to number. Huli ka kay Kenneth. Pass to number 13. Pass to Kenneth. Birthday. No good. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 7. Yakali. No good. Now one number 1. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Foul number 8.
Deadlock na tayo, 20 all. All 20.
Third, deep foul.
Deadlock at 20.
One shot. No good. Number 20, under basket, number 7. Huli ka, out of bounds, same ball. Number 20, pass for 3. No good, now one, number 2. Number 1. Pass to Diego. No good. Now one, number 13. Number 13, lumipan. Oh. Traveling violation. Number 24, pass to number 7. Pass to number 11. Number 1, under basket number 13. Ito, lipatan na to. Number 13, good. 4-2.
Change paper lamang ng OSC 22-19.
Number 24, pass to number 11, pull J. Number 3 for Diego. Okay, pass kay number 26. Pass to number 13. Foul. Foul number 11. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 24 for 3. No good. Now 120% foul. Foul number 7. Wait lang po. Penalty. Wash it out against Abando. Woo! First shot. Second shot. Nice.
23-19. 4-point lead by OSC.
Number 24. Pass to number 20, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 16, pass for 3. No good, not even in number 2. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 30, pull of J. No good, now one in number 20, out of basket, number 24. Number 24. Pass for. No good. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Back to number 2. Pass to number 20. good. Now rebound number 11. Pass on number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 24. No good. Now rebound number 16. Good. 4-2. Number 21. Pass on number 1. Pass on number 26. Pass on number 2. Charge for 3. No good. Now one number 11. Pass to number 7. Pass to huli ka. Now win again. Number 7. Pass to number 24. Gandang pasa. No good. Now one number 1. Pass to number 2. Okay, go. Number 2. No good. Now number 13. Good. 4-2.
25-21, 4 points ang inaabol ng Aglipay.
Number 7, pass to number 11. Fake. Oh, grabe ni violation. Time out. Aglipay. Tapos mandatory.
Happy sa SKO nyo.
Palitin po tayo. Pasok 5, labas 5. Ayun Papi 4J, no kapatid na wala number. Foul number 21. Penalty. First shot. Second shot. Good. Last point. Miss mo na Ford. Miss mo na. Huwag na miss mo. Punta ka lang Karen. Number 24. Pass na number 1. Pass na. Pukuda. Out of ball. Table. Shot out kay Jasmine. Number 24. Pass to number 1. No good. Power rebound lead. Jefferson. Outlet pass. Error 51. Pass to Bobby. Waiting lang. 15 seconds to shoot. Jefferson. Pass to number 11. Huligan na. Wala po na. Pinasa kay number 0. Pass to number 1. Good. 4-2.
Deadlock at 26. Deadlock 26.
Number 51. Number 16. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Behind the back, pass to Pukuda. Now one number 0-0. Now one number 1. Number 10. Pali si Jefferson doon ah. Number Bobby 4-3. Number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 1. Number 1. No good. Nakuha niya pa din. Trigger please. 4-2. Off, dadaan. Dadaan ng Miriam.
29-28, 1 point lead by OSC. Dahil sa 3 points ni SK Onyo.
Number 51. 15 seconds to shoot. 5-4-3. 3 points. Pinabol pa na. Pinabol pa ni Cardo. Number 16. Foul number 11. First personal foul. Second, deep foul.
30-28, 4 point lead by
First
OSC.
shot. Good.
Down to 3 point lead.
Then, second shot. No good. Now only the number 51. Number 51. Paso number. Pukuda kami pa. Foul. 51. Wakbil. First personal foul, third team foul. First shot ni Puda. Haliwak bola, haliwak bil. Second shot. Gila. Ganda ng takbo. Kulit ka na number 24. Number 24. Paso number 00 Levy. Tutup. Buona ba ako, boy?
32-31, 1 point lead by OSC.
Ano? 10:37 p.m. Pumunta ang paso number 24. Number 24. Number 16. No good na ko ni Jefferson. Jefferson, 3 on 1 day. Foul. Hot spot. Number 24. Unsportsmanship like pump. 2 feature offense plus ball possession. Personally Jefferson. Number 24. 3 minutes. Same shot.
Luis! Tatay, Luis! Si Luis maglabas yun.
Number 9, paso number 51. Paso, Papi, Papi! Number 11. Jefferson, stay. Jefferson, 10 seconds to shoot. Paso number. Paso sa padre. Out of bounds.
34-31. 3 point lead by OSC.
Hoy, tignan niyo ilalim!
One and 44.
Number 7, paso number 16. Paso number 7 ulit. Number 7, paso number 16. Pull up J. Number 9, number 19. Outlet pass kay Jefferson. Jefferson, umingo. Boom!
Oh!
Bilis tumakbo. Bilis tumakbo. Number 7, paso number 00. Paso number 7. Paso Puda. Nawali. Foul number 21. Puda.
Bumawi!
Second personal foul. Penalty. And
36-31 plus free throw shots by SK Onya.
second try number 14. Papi Serpon. Onya. Last try. Shorty.
37-31, that made 6 point lead.
Drive. Pay. No good. Number 1 number. Out of bounds.
6 points ang inaabol ng Aglipay.
Number 16 pass to number 7, 15 seconds. He fires for 3.
Down to 3 point lead. 37-34 by OSC.
14 seconds to play. Number 5, Jefferson. Out of bounds. Pink ball.
Sa iba!
Number 1. Goal for 2.
1 point lead, 37-36.
Out of bounds. Same ball. Same ball.
Tay, andun po.
Wala, hoy! Wala!
33 seconds to play.
Akyat!
17 seconds to play. Pass to Bobby. Bars.
36-37 lamang ng isang OSC after the first half.
Mas mahirap pag walang score. Tandaan mo, remember me. Umulan bumagyo, bumuhuma ng mundo, kahit pa rin ako. Number 5, Jefferson. Mas masakit pag walang betlog. Pag walang betlog, bili ka na kay Pew. Pew, Pew, Pew!
Lags.
Number 2, 5, 4, 3! Tama! Tinignan pa.
Oh.
Go.
Number 7, bumiyak! Out of bounds! Same ball.
4 points. 4 points ang kalamangan ng OSC.
Look ball. Number 2, Arden pass kay number 30.
Up.
Huli ka.
Same ball.
Third goal.
Play now. Roy.
Scarlett Elijah. At yun na sa FB, SCRT.
Shot.
Number 1. This Scarlett City. Number 1, pass number 9. Pull J. No.
Bawi.
Number 20.
Bawi.
Pass number. Bola. Pass number 1. 10 seconds to you. Number 10. Buya.
Messi.
Foul. Foul number.
Not counted.
Foul number 25. Number 25. First personal foul. Second personal foul.
36-40. 4-point lead by OSC. So, 39-40. 1 point na lang. 1 point, sorry.
Interrupt. Si number 2 babae. No, number 25. Foul. Foul number 21. Number 21. Third personal foul. Foul. Team foul.
Intermission.
Wait lang po. Nadaan si Pew. Ayaw ka na lang, Han. Number Albang of Lipoy Boy.
Baba.
Oy. Number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Number 20. Kuya. Pass to number 7. After pass to number 20. Pakabilis.
Nice one. Nice assist.
21 man.
42-39. Last free throw.
Opo. Number 1. Warning for graduate. Bonus shot para kay number 30. Number 30. Bonus is good.
Nice assist, Aljo. Nice assist.
43-39. 4 points ang inaabot ng Aglipay.
Number 30. Number 30. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 20. Buya. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Esito.
Si Bol, kumama eh.
Number 1. one. Number one. First personal foul, third team foul.
4 points ang inahabol ng Aglipay. 43-39.
First shot, number one. Second shot, number one. Number 7, nakuha ni number. Number 13, number 13. Pass number 13. Oh!
Double step.
Number 0 foul. Blocking foul. First personal foul.
Double tap.
Third team foul. First shot ni number 13.
Nakantado!
No good.
Saba.
Second shot. Good.
Nice one.
Number 7. Nagdadala ng bola. Si number 7, pinasa ka number 20. Pass number 25. Pass number 3. Ay, pass number 1.
Ay, check. Ay, nice one.
Number 7. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2.
Ayun na.
Number 2. Humarang iba. Yes, ang lahat. Pass to number 7. Number 7. For the game. No good. Number 1. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number. Pokoda. Number.
44-39. 5 points.
Then pass kay number 2. Ayan na. Number 2. Blue.
The lead is up to 7. 46-39.
Number 30. Number 20. Give over the ball. Referee, number 4. Number 10. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 4.
Ulang!
Pass number 1. Number 1. Pass number 25.
Sayang.
Zero. Number 6.
Hindi ko mapit, sayang.
Warning for penalty.
39-46. 7 point lead.
First shot. Reserve down sino? Reserve sama tangan lipat. Second shot.
Thirty-nine 47. 8 points ang inaabol ng Aglipay. 8-point lead by OSC.
Pampasang Scarlett. Sunan Scarlett Secret.
Bawan po kayo.
Number 24. Number 24. Number 24. Bakit number? Number 26. Outside pass. Nakuha niya number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 16. Dominic. Nakuha niya Kiko. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Pass to Papi. Papi. Treasure 3.
3 points by OSC.
Good decision si Papi. Number 24. Pass to number 30. 58 seconds to shoot.
Angat, ball.
50-39.
5-4-3, out of bounds.
11 points na ang inaabol ng Aglipay. 50-39.
Number 26, pass number 2, fires for 3.
Nice one! Nice one, Mac! Defense, defense!
53-39. 14 points ang inaabol ng Aglipay.
Sino ba mga pinang dito, Pati? Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 11. Go, go. Rebound to number 2, Amari. Amari pass to number 26, Utol. Utol. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 14. Fires for 3. Correct!
Kumukulo na, Paligo!
56-39. 17-point lead by OSC.
11. Number 11, pass to number 7, Crawford, pass, fire for 3. No good, rebound number. Number 11, pass to number 24. Number 20, no good, rebound number 2. Out there, pass to number 14. Papi, fire, Naole number 7. Momentum. Number 7, Paos. No good, rebound Jago. Number 51, Apple. Apple, pass to number 26. Pass to number 14. Number 14, Hule. No one in number 11, pass to number 24. Number 7, Paos, good for 2.
56-41. 15-point lead by OSC.
So, yung mga pa. 10 seconds to shoot.
Short!
Substitute dyan, Mr. Red.
Pwede na.
$56-43. The lead is down to 13 by OSC.
Nice one! Ayan. Go up. Ayan!
58-43. 15 points.
Nice legs! Good job. Lag, sapa. one, Net. Ba. Nice one.
Libre, goal, goal. Oh, number first goal. Number 24, goal.
62-45. 12-point lead. 17-point lead by OSC.
Number 2, 10 seconds to go. Bottom Jefferson, Parksburg Green. No good. Mark of 10, puta na. Nakuali. Paso number. Number 5, paso number 2. Paso number 26. Good.
Nice one, Net.
Now still, paso number 16, paso number 1. Number
Next.
20 seconds.
64-46.
Number 2. No. 15 seconds to play. Number 16, first. No good. Out of bounds. Oh, it's the ball.
Tasha.
5 seconds to shoot.
Shot.
3 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Sabi ni Red. Mingayan pa.
Score natin 45-67. 12-point lead by OSC. Start of the fourth period, 67-45. 22 points ang kalamangan ng OSC. 22 points ang inaabol ng Aglipay. 67-45. 67-47. 20-point lead.
Pass to number. 14.
Ayan, nice one, baby. Wait, pasok. Ako ba?
Oh, good. Game.
Dalawa, Net.
Uspadrek. Number 7.
Out of balance. Tapa.
From downtown, twin.
Pinahulog na. Pinahulog na, Tax.
72-47.
Number 20. Foul number.
25-point lead by OSC.
Second try with number 20. Good for 1. Number 13, using the ball. Pass to number 5, Espanola. Pass to number 26. Number 19. Number 19, pass to number 26 for 3. No good. Nakuha na number 11. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 21. Nakuha ni number 6. Pass to number 1. Number 5, Espanyola. Pass to number 40 for 2. No good. Nakuha ni number 19. Pass to number 40 again. Uy, lumulit na ito.
Parang nasa Tom's World niya. Hey, ilalim!
10 seconds to play. Pressure pala. 10. Number 21, Pumuda. Pumuda. Take the lead. Good for
72-50.
number 5, Espanyola. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 5. Oh, what a fake, man. Good for 8 by number 5. Pass break. Oh, nakuha ni number 5.
74-50.
Pass break, number 1. Tumira ng dos. Pasok.
74-50.
Number 26. Leaving the ball. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Cross over. Pass to number 19. Pumuda. Iyahabol ng bola kaso di nabutan. Baga ng kanyang paa.
Hindi mo si Kevin. Harapan mo. Pag-trap ka.
Number 26, setting a play. Hindi yun, mga ganon pare. Number 00. Number 5, Espanyola. Number 26. Take. Number 1. Number 2. Number 26, Dadarecho. Sumalaksa. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. Pass to number 13. Nakuha Unat. Unat. Na-open pa. Pass to 14. Jordan.
Nice one.
Good for 2. Pass break. Puna. Sumalaksa. Foul. Basket count.
58-76. $18-point
Number
lead
14.
by OSC.
Easy lang.
Back to the ball game. Low. Bonus free throw by number 21. Pumuda. Bonus shot. Pumuda. Nakuha ni number 5. Espanyola. Oh! Down! Pass to number 5. Espanyola. Pass to number 26. Pull up game. No good. Nakuha number 11. Pass to number 31. Pull up. No good. Nakuha number 5. Pass to number 26. Pinja pa natin. Dadarejo. Pass to number 16. Unat. No good. Up to bounds. Same ball. Shot clock. number 5. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 26.
Shot,
Pass to
net.
number 19. Pull up game. No good.
Ayan. Take ball, take ball.
Take ball. Pass to number 6. No good. Nakuha number 16. Pero may foul. Foul number 25. Pushing foul. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 16. Stop. Eh, pasok ang papasok.
Next, go bola.
Number 1. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 25. Wala nakuha ni number 11 and outlet pass to number 12 pero kaso hindi nakahabol ng bola. Number 13, reading a ball, setting a play, parehas lang yun. Low. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Ulat yan! Pass number 35. Nalalaban lang, Mike. Good for 2 by number 05 and 25. 5 minutes to play. 24 seconds, shot. 3, no good. 31 21. Pull down. Hula to goes. The Coffee Master. Time out.
58-80.
Number 16. Number 16.
22 points ang hinahabol ng Aglipay.
Number 30. Umutan na ba yan? Injury tayo. Si Kukuta na pilayan. Ang isang player ng Aglipay na pilayan. Kukuta, injured to play. Kukuta, dahan-dahan ito. Basa ka si Kukuta eh. Di mo lang kita yung basa ka. Game na. Lakas na. Back to the ball game. Kukuta, out of the shoe. Oras po natin, 4 minutes and 15 seconds to play. Good for 2. Number 1, setting a play. Number 1, Oy. Number 3, the Coffee Master again. Good for 2. Number 24. Pass to number 11. Pull up. No good. Number 13. Number 13. Kukuda, the court is waiting for you. Tumalaksak. Good for 2 by number 20.
86-62. 24-point lead by OSC.
Pass to number 19, pass to number 25. Tumalaksak.
Patay!
Natapay. Ako yung number 11, pass to number 16. Pass to number 24. Number 25. Espanyola, Palakyan ng 1981. Namutang wala number 11. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Good koponan. Last 2:30 minutes. Ang laban to.
64-88.
Laban mo natin bukas. Ito na po ngayon ay tutuloy. Baka mo lang pa bukas.
24-point lead by OSC. 88-66 down to 22 points. Ang kalamangan ng OSC.
Okay. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Number 84, pass to number 11, pass to number 4.
Press from the team. Goku. Jumo, saan ka pupunta? Jumo, where are you going, Jumo?
Tumira na 3.
No good. Score po natin, 66-90. Lamang 90. Artisan